Hello parents, how are you all? I hope you all are taking good care of your health, staying inside. So today I am here for class orientation. Whenever we begin a new session, we start up with this orientation day where we talk about the new syllabus, the content and the books your child is going to have in the new class, new session. So in UKG class, what all books and what all learning they are going to do, I am going to talk about it. Okay. So when we talk about books, they have a set of 9 books in which the first one is English, the activity book Cursive Zero, in which because in KG class they have already learned how to write cursive alphabet, small letter and how to join them. So this book is all about cursive writing because writing is really important. So during the summer break, I'll expect them to finish these small letter writings, and I'll be giving you in the doc also that what they have to do, the joining word. And later on, when we'll start the sound word, we will do the activities and the words, how to join them and how to read them. In this book, it's not only cursive, the concept also, opposite word. So when the child will learn opposite, hot, cold, they learn to write it also. Okay. So this is all about activity book. And because today you are going to get books back at home, so you can just go through it once that what all things are there. And please let the child do the things which we ask them to do. Okay. So second book in English is English Delight. It is the content book in which your child is going to learn the sound words. As in the month of May and June, April and May, we have already learned A, E, I, O, U sound, and we are right now doing the revision. From July, we will start the joining sound words. Cha sound, ka sound, tha sound. So all the sounds and skill drills are there. So there will be these things, these activities and more of the activities related to that, and we expect use of when, use of this, use of that. So by the time the child will finish this book, they will be able to read the basic sentences. Okay, because in KG class they have already done these things, and UKG they will be able to read these basic sentences, and we expect excuse me, we expect to finish this book by the month of November or December. And after that, what we do, we introduce some reading books, some novels, some story book to our kids from our reading section, and teacher read the content and then ask them to reread it and ask the question related to that. So if the situation will get better and kids will be allowed to come to school, then we will do the same thing. Otherwise, we will be sharing the reading sheet and we will expect our child to be able to read those sentences. But it is a matter of December, then I'll get back to that thing later. But right now, we have these 2 books, activity book and English Delight, and you'll be getting English notebooks with them. So there will be activities, there will be reading, there will be skill drill, as well as they have to write the things which are asked in their notebook. Okay. Now next subject is Hindi. This is Hindi. In Hindi also they have 2 books, Hindi Swar Abhyas and Hindi Swar Sangam. Swar Abhyas, again in the beginning they have already done 2 अक्षर के शब्द, 3 अक्षर के शब्द, 4 अक्षर के शब्द, 2 आ की मात्रा वाले शब्द जो ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं. तो अभी हॉलीडे होमवर्क में हम उनसे यही पूछेंगे कि वो यहाँ तक कंप्लीट करें. ई की मात्रा मैंने इंट्रोड्यूस की थी और जुलाई में मैं एक बार फिर से ई की मात्रा इंट्रोड्यूस करूँगी. और इसमें वही है कि जो बच्चे स्वर संगम में पढ़ेंगे उससे रिलेटेड सारी मात्राएँ हैं, क्योंकि बच्चों ने केजी में ऑलरेडी मात्राएँ पढ़ ली हैं तो उनको आती हैं, बट वी हैव टू गेट थ्रू इट. हमको इसमें कंटेंट में उनको एक्सपर्ट बनाना है कि वो सारी मात्राएं बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ पाएँ. इसीलिए मैंने एक एक्टिविटी आप लोगों को बोला था कि उनको न्यूज़पेपर हिंदी का या कोई किताब पढ़ने को कहिए जिससे उनकी रीडिंग एबिलिटी बढ़े. स्वर संगम में फिर से वही मात्राओं का इंट्रोडक्शन है, बड़े बड़े पैराग्राफ हैं और हम ये एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि बच्चे ये कहानियाँ पढ़ सकें और उनसे रिलेटेड अभ्यास कर सकें. सो स्टेप बाय स्टेप हम इसमें बढ़ेंगे और हम फिर अगेन कोशिश करेंगे कि दिसंबर तक हिंदी ख़त्म हो जाए दोनों किताबें, और जनवरी से फिर हम उनको कहानियों की किताबें देते हैं. साथ में हिंदी में दिनों के नाम, महीनों के नाम, फलों के नाम, ऋतुओं के नाम, ये सब लिखने का अभ्यास कराते हैं, क्योंकि ये सब चीज़ें बहुत ज़रूरी हैं यूकेजी क्लास में कंप्लीट करने के लिए. तो ये हिंदी की 2 किताबें, इसके साथ नोटबुक्स होंगी और दिसंबर के बाद का करिकुलम लेटर ऑन आई विल शेयर विद यू. उसके बाद वी हैव मैथ्स. They have done most of the things in KG class, but in maths we are going to make them recapitulate the previous learning first. So when you see the maths book, you find oh ये तो बहुत easy है. Yes, it is easy. So let the child do the things on their own. There are concepts same and different and all. I'll be telling you when to do and how to do, and I'll be making videos for that. But when we come to main maths, कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ जीरो, दे ऑलरेडी नो व्हाट इज जीरो. एक्टिविटीज रिलेटेड बहुत सिंपल सिंपल काउंट करना है, नंबर लिखना है और उसका नंबर नेम लिखना है. और UKG kids can do it very easily. Numbers, number name, we are doing it. So in maths book it's not that much, it's not that much complicated content, but they'll be able to do most of the things on their own, and later on with the help of notebooks and the new content we'll be explaining them things. So first, this is kind of recapitulation book where they'll be revising the things which they have already done in KG class, because our curriculum is up to a higher end. Whatever we do in maths, most of the school do it in grade 1, but we are doing in UKG. So we'll finish this book ASAP, and then we'll introduce the new content. We are already done with table till 10, right? Then there are these concepts. Then we will introduce more of addition, subtraction, sum of multiplication in UKG class. Okay, so this is about the book Mathematics Primer, and then there is a book of table. They already know table, but then there are activities related to it. But right now I just want them to learn the table. These activities we'll be doing later once the concept of addition and subtraction will be clear to them. After that we'll be doing these activities of the table book. And anytime, whenever you are free, whenever you think that okay, I have to do something with my child, there are so many beautiful, well planned activities. You can do them, these activities with a kid at home. So this is a table book, and along with these two books you will be getting maths notebooks. These are the content syllabus books, and other books are rhymes and Balgi. Every month you get rhyme of the month, and in English and Hindi it is in the book. They can see, they can also, you can ask them to read with the help of sight word. They can read I, they can read can, they can read my, if they have learned the sight words which I shared with you. So they have to do these things. Same with Hindi. And also from July we are going to plan some common rhymes. So in live classes they'll be learning those common rhymes plus these rhymes. Art and craft, there is this book Art and Craft, and teacher will be sharing some more artistic skills which they have to do in their drawing notebook. These are basic, how to draw a fish, how to draw a shark, how to color the face, and these are the basic drawing skills. And in spite of that, teacher will be also sharing some other activities which they have to do in their drawing notebook. Picture dictionary, I will not call it GK, these are the basic knowledge things, and it's a very beautiful, well planned book. Different type of flowers we have already learned, what all things you take to the classroom or you see in a classroom, fruits, vegetables, common birds. This is basic dictionary, but this is not general knowledge books as such. This is only picture book, okay, where they'll see and they'll learn these basic things. In GK, the things which we are already doing, we have already learned how to introduce about yourself, your name, your residence. This week we spoke about your country, talk about your country, what is the name of your country, capital of your country. We are already asking you all to make them learn states and capitals. So that is general knowledge, and that we will continuously do the full session. So this was all about book. This was all about curriculum. But what extra we are going to do, even if we are taking the online classes, we are sharing videos and all, we will be giving them motor skill activities appropriate to their age. Like few weeks back, I asked some parents to ask their kids to do brooming, झाड़ू लगाना. Many of you have thought, अरे ये कौन सा काम है, ये कोई activity है? But it is a good activity because it gives a good grip. They bend their body, yeah, and then they do brooming. So it is a very good gross motor skill. Folding your clothes, helping you in household chores. These are all good motor skills. So we'll be sharing those, and we'll be planning the curriculum. From the month of July, we are going to share the content with you, what all things your kid will be learning in this month, what all activities we will be sharing. We are also planning to come live from the month of July. So it's all in plan, and we'll let you know by the end of the month of June that what all the plans are. But these are the books. Go through it. Your holiday homework will be from these books. So we'll be planning a holiday homework, and we'll mention that what all page number they have to do. Yes, because the things which are already covered in the month of April and May, they'll finish it at home because now they have their books and notebooks, and from July we'll start the new things. Okay, thank you.